Are you a new psychology graduate straight after your master's, wondering how to start earning in 2026? You have studied all the theories, the brain, human behavior, and so on. But now you keep asking yourself, how do I actually make money with my degree? In one of my previous videos, I spoke about 10 non-therapy ways psychologists can make money secretly. And many of you reached out saying, this sounds good, but where do we actually start as freshers? So today, I want to take that conversation one step forward. I will discuss 5 practical and modern ways fresher psychologists like you can start earning right now without waiting for years of job experience. At least till the time you don't get a full-fledged job and handsome salary, these ways will be savior. Let's be honest, we all have been listening to the same old advice like start counseling, write blogs, do workshops, but it's all crowded, competitive, and sometimes confusing for freshers. Yes, it's true that these ways are evergreen and have worked for many and will still work for many in the future too. But we also need to update ourselves with the current trends and future demands. So what if I tell you there are still less trafficked ways to earn as a psychologist in 2026? These ways are practical, modern, and beginner friendly. Hi, I am Pragya Prateek and I help psychology students and freshers turn their knowledge into real opportunities. So let's get started. Number 1, AI and mental health services. Think about tech. AI is booming and mental health apps are everywhere. You can help startups or edtech companies build AI-driven mental health wellness tools, chatbots, or psychological quizzes. You don't need to code. Instead, you collaborate with coders for this purpose. Start by exploring platforms like Upwork or Fiverr, or connect with small mental health startups and offer to validate assessments, consult on content, and other well-being tools they might be looking for in their app. It's a good way to get your foot in the door and learn while earning. Number 2, micro-career and student counseling. It focuses on quick, meaningful guidance and no long therapy sessions. You offer 20-30 minutes paid conversations to students or job seekers on course choices, internships, career confusion, or maybe exam pressure. The goal is clarity, discussion, and emotional reassurance in short time. You can start by collaborating with schools, coaching centers, or offering sessions through Instagram and LinkedIn. Begin with introductory sessions to build trust and visibility. Even a handful of clients each week can steadily grow your confidence, credibility, and income. Number 3, freelance psychological writing and research support. Well, this path lets you use your psychological knowledge beyond counseling. You can create content for mental health blogs, corporate wellness newsletters, online courses, or educational platforms. You can also support research products through literature reviews, summaries, and report writing. Start by registering on freelance platforms, joining psychological and mental health content communities, or pitching directly to educational websites. It's flexible work and can be done remotely, and it also helps you earn while strengthening your professional credibility. Number 4, corporate short-term wellness projects. See, corporates need psychology too, just in different language. Through short-term wellness projects, you work on small and focused assignments like stress surveys, burnout assessments, or even employee engagement studies. You help organizations understand what employees are struggling with and why productivity or morale is dropping. Start by approaching small startups or HR consultancies that don't have in-house psychology support. You can offer short-term help or even volunteer for one project to build proof of work. Over time, these small projects often turn into paid and recurring opportunities. Number 5, online psychological testing and report writing. This is another practical way to use your skills. Like schools, coaching institutes, couples, and even individual clients often need personality tests, career aptitude assessments, trauma-focused examinations, couple compatibility tests, or basic cognitive evaluations based on their different needs at different times. Your role is to administer the test, interpret the results, and write a clear, useful report. Start by learning commonly used assessment tools and offering sessions to a small group. You can also collaborate with counseling platforms covering such evaluations so that you gain exposure. With time, this can grow into a professional and scalable assessment service. So whether it's AI consulting, micro-counselling, freelance writing, corporate projects, or online assessments, there are real and modern ways to start earning as a fresh psychology graduate in 2026. Which of these 5 ways will you try first or have doubts about? Comment below and I will guide you accordingly. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.